So today is my birthday. Glenn took me for cocktails and appetizers first to Taylor's Restaurant Steakhouse in La Cañada. So, and I'm 45 today. Hey, I mean 43 and plus 2. So that was the biggest nonsense I have ever heard at the restaurant. As always, for martini, we would ask blue cheese stuffed olives. The waitress says, "No, we don't have it." I said, "Do you have blue cheese in your kitchen?" She says, "Yeah, yes, we do." I said, "Can you make it?" She says, "We're not allowed." I was like, "Who is not allowing you to make blue cheese stuffed olives?" She's like, "No, since COVID, we can't do that." So anyway, I couldn't stop laughing for the last like 10 minutes. Now it stopped, and we made a decision. I will never ever, since today, August 17th, I will never ever leave to the restaurant or bar to have martinis without my own blue cheese stuffed olives. That's the biggest bullshit at the restaurants. So what they did, they said, "I can bring you on the plate, you can stuff your own." Kidding me? Should I make my own steak too when you bring it? So anyway, so to those who likes to have martinis with blue cheese stuffed olives, at least like a backup plan is at least we put some blue cheese in the glass. But anyway, it's not the same. So